Yes, hello everyone, welcome back again to Max TV and welcome back again to this video. Do you have any reading skills, or do you have any favorite books do you like to read? So do you have any information or skills about reading? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by reading books. I'm going to show you 4 websites that you can use to read books and make money. So without wasting time, let's get started. But before that, remember to subscribe to the channel TV, like this video, share it with your friends. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. Without wasting time, let's get started. So if you want to be making money, also you can be searching, for example, online book reading. If you try to navigate around different platforms, you can see I have different libraries that you can be reading different books, maybe for knowledge purpose. But if you want to be making money by reading books, you can have specific platforms. For instance, if you come in time also making money by reading books, you can see that you're going to be getting different articles talking about this one, and you can be able to see many articles which are talking about different ways you can be using to make money by reading books. So we are starting with 4 websites I have prepared for you today that I have been reviewing, and see how you can be using them to make money by reading books. Also, you can be going there and search for in your browser. You can use either your phone or your browser if you are using laptop. If you are using the phone, you can use your browser as well, Chrome or either other browser you're using, and search for the first one, which is online book review. So if you go search for online book club, you're going to be seeing different platforms, but this one is the one which is going to be helping you to read books. For instance, if you see I search for online book clubs, this is also, it has the website which is called online book club for readers. You can see there is online book club website which is called onlinebookclub.org. And also, if you want to be coming here, you can see select this one, and once you select this one, you can see that you're going to be direct to the platform where you can be reading books. However, you are not going to be using this firstly, because here you can see you are only seeing the books that you can be able to read, depends on for personal purpose or different ways. But if you want to be reviewing books to get paid, you need to come to this link which is saying get free books and even get paid just for honest reviews. It's also the same website, and once you click on it, you can see it is going to be opening. Just if I open it right now, you can see it's going to be opening, and they are giving me the form that I have to fill so that I can get started. So the next one is called book lists. So if I type book list in my browser, it is going to be bringing the platform where I can be able to visit and see. It's a booklist.online or booklistonline.com. That is the website, and you need to be coming here. And if you want to be maybe reading books, normally you need to be opening this platform or this link. You can see you are immediately getting directed to the platform. However, if you want to be applying for books, or to be reviewing the books, maybe you want to be reviewing books and get paid, you need to come here at the top, at the bottom of this platform, and you can see that you can see there is get reviewed and the reviewers. If you click on this section which is reviewers, you are going to be direct to the place where you can be able to select whether you can be able to apply. You can see if here they are saying that if you want to be considered, or if you are interested in becoming a book or reviewer, please see the book lists here and see the reviewers details. See rating for book list. So now you need to come here and also be able to read. Once you click here, you can be reading various information which is going to be directing you how you can go through the process, and also be considered as a reviewer who will be getting paid once you have already reviewed the books. So the next one, which is the third one, is book blouse. So if I type book blouse in my laptop, you can see I'm going to be getting this one. This is the first one, which is this URL. It's called www.bookblouse.com. And also after clicking on this one, you can see that you're going to be directed to the platform itself. where you will be able to browse different kind of books, or you can be able to read different kind of books. However, you are not going to be coming here if you want to be making money by on this book browse. What you need to do, you need to come back here in your browser before opening the platform. Then click on this reviewer application form. Once you fill this form, you are going to be considered as to be reviewed, and also be considered as a reviewer who will be getting paid once you review the books. You can see we receive many applications, so please save your time by already completing this form. After reading some of our reviews, an article and conclude that you can write to comparable standard. I already also, you can see also be coming here, review frequency and pay. Our reviewers tend to write about, so you can see now you need to come here and fill out this form. Once you have filled it out, you can also start application, and once you submit your application, now we'll be getting the feedback of your application. So the last one is Publisher Weekly. So Publisher Weekly is another platform that you can use, and also if you click on it, you can see there are also it's also the platform where you can find different books as well. But if we want to be considered or to be making money on this platform by reading the books or by reviewing the books, you need to come here on jobs. This you can see this category, a job category. Now after this, I need to be opening this one, and also once I open this one, it's going to be opening in my browser. Once it's already opened, you can see different kind of jobs that are also being published here. You can see in print says director, client. You can see now you can search for job. For instance, if you want to be searching for jobs, maybe you want to be editing, you can see now there is a job available which is associated if you are reading also skills. Associate managing editor, which means if you have skills in reading a book, you can be able to read the books and also do different things. You can be able to explore different kind of jobs that you like on this platform. For instance, if I see associate academic editor, so it also depends on what you are interested in to do. So this is also can be making money by reading books, where you join different platforms as they are showing you, and also be able to read them. Once you read the books, so review the book, submit them, and get paid as well. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel TV. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section.